Here it is. Carburetors are on. And I've got my handy dandy jumper battery. And I started it once. And and I just got done topping off the oil. So I'll turn it on and let you hear it run here. Got to jump it. It's got probably some of that PV blaster in the cylinder still. And as you remember, it was very softly frozen. But this is the third time I've started it, and it's running better each time. Something tells me it's going to be all right. Sounds good. That's my little tester battery, but I used it to jump because the starter button was malfunctioning. I tried to fix it, which was really not the thing you want to do. So I ordered a new used one off of eBay, and it's coming. Actually from a brand new one coming from a company out of San Francisco. Anyway, it's running, and it seems to be running really well. Good enough for me to actually start spending a little bit of money on it. And I'll probably break the rule, which is I won't order anything until I drive it through all the gears. It just seems to me like it's running really well. And I'll get it up to a temperature a couple of times and then probably try to do a compression test. But there she is, running and ready to be all purdied up.